been in business over 30 years odd, but this shop's been here 5 years. So these 22-door fridges, as you see, is a big chunk of my power bill, which used to be $13,000, and thanks to Honenberg and Brad, after the solar system got installed, the power bill now is $5,000. When it comes to freezers, that's when the power bill goes up by, I think 70% of my total power bill because of these condensers and freezers. We looked at going solar in the past, but obviously the size of the shop and the size of the system that I needed, which is 100 kilowatt system with 290 panels, it wasn't feasible because it's going to cost me $100,000 out of pocket. With the power purchase agreement, 15-year plan, no payment upfront, and our cost savings are pretty much close to or more than 50% every month to what our bill was before. For my size of the store, which is about 7 squares, it's working really well. As you know, it's half my bill. Well, Honenberg's done, I think, really great in terms of after support service,